Welcome to today's episode of Science. This week we're going to talk about global climates. I'm your host Cooper Kenishnick with Earth Science, and today we're going to talk about climate controls and the Köppen climate groups. What is a climate technically? A climate have long-term patterns of temperature and precipitation. It's different from a lot of weather currents, and it's measured over many years. The six climate controls that we're going to talk about today are latitude, elevation, land versus water, ocean currents, air masses, winds, and topography, or mountains, in other words. The latitude is the most important one because it determines solar energy. It nears the equator, which equals warm. Higher latitudes equals colder. Excuse me. And the main control of global temperature. Other climate controls include elevation, which has higher equals cooler, water, which has moderate temperatures. The ocean currents have warm and cold effects, and the mountains have a rainy shadow effect. What is a climate graph? A climate graph is a graph showing temperature and precipitation at the same time. Line equals temperature, bars equal precipitation, and it shows patterns over a year. The Köppen climate groups include A equals tropical, which means hot and wet. B equals dry, which means desert. C equals temperature, which is mild. D equals continental, which has cold winters, like in Michigan. E equals polar, which is very cold, just like Michigan. And H means highland, which is the mountains. Just a little bit of review for you guys before we end this episode. Just review these questions before you go to bed tonight or whatever. What is the most important climate control? Name one climate group, and what does a climate graph show? Thanks for listening on today's episode. See you guys next week.